Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see try catch statements in Python. In Python, for try and catch, we use try and except keyword. Whenever we use these keywords try and except, indentations play a vital role. So here, after try followed by colon, I have few statements, but I have indentated it. So it means that this is my try block. In except, I have only one statement where I am printing you have entered incorrect age value. So if you look at this print statement, I'm not using any indentation here. So it is not part of try block or except block. So first I'm trying to get the age from the customer using input function. Next, I'm trying to convert that age into integer since the return type of input function is always string. If the age is less than 18, I'm displaying you are not eligible for voting. If the age is less than or equal to 58, I'm saying you are eligible for voting. Else, I'm printing you are a senior citizen with voting rights. So this is my try block. In the except, if there was any issue in executing these codes, it will display you have entered incorrect age value. And finally, if there was no issues, all the executions will happen in try and then it will execute this print because I am not using any indentation here. But this particular print statement has indentation. So it is part of except, so it won't display this information. If I enter some incorrect age, like if I enter ABC, it cannot convert that into integer, so it will throw me an exception saying that you have entered incorrect age value. So the exception will be handled here. So let's run this code. It is asking please share your age. Let's make sure first we will try with the success scenario where everything will be displayed here. So I'm entering 21. So it should go to my else if statement and then it should display you are eligible for voting. Let's see that. Yeah, you are eligible for voting, and finally it printed my thank you. It is not part of if try block or except block. So it displayed thank you. Now if I run the same and then if I enter some string, it will try to convert that string into integer at line number 7. It should throw me an error. So it will go to the except and then it should print you have entered incorrect age value, and finally it should print me thank you because it is not part of except block or try block. This particular print statement is not part of try or except block because there is no indentation. So let's see that. You have entered incorrect age value. Thank you. So for try catch statements in Python, make use of try and except keywords. Indentation plays an important role. So for try block, if you wanted to have set of statements, use indentation to it. Same for except also. If there are statements without indentation, it will be outside the except block and it won't consider that statement as part of except block. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.